Many people don't know that mixing alcohol and coffee grounds can produce a beautifully colored liquid, resembling a futuristic wood color. The resulting color is not only beautiful, but also unique, perfect for adding an artistic touch to woodwork or crafts. And today, we're going to try something not many people have tried: mixing alcohol, coffee grounds, and wood glue. Will this combination produce a unique, futuristic wood-like color? Let's watch the process together. Look, the coffee grounds and thinner are perfectly combined. I stirred until completely smooth and even, achieving the desired texture and color. Now it's time to experiment. I'll add wood glue to the coffee and thinner mixture. Let's see what it looks like. Now it's time to stir the mixture. I stirred it until it was completely smooth and even repeatedly until the texture was perfect, just as we desired. The resulting color is simply gorgeous, truly captivating and unique. Who would have thought this simple mixture could produce something so aesthetic? And now, see it with your own eyes. The colors that emerge are no joke, elegant, exotic, and have a futuristic feel. Who would have thought that a mixture of coffee grounds, thinner, and wood glue could produce something this cool? Okay, now we move on to the next step. First, I prepared a clean container for mixing. Then, I poured a sufficient amount of thinner into the container, not too much, just enough to slowly dissolve the next ingredient. After that, I added some scrap styrofoam pieces to the thinner. This styrofoam is the main ingredient that will react with the thinner, and it will slowly begin to dissolve. Next, I began stirring the mixture slowly but thoroughly. The goal was to ensure the styrofoam was completely mixed without clumps. If I noticed there weren't enough styrofoam pieces or that they hadn't completely dissolved, I added more, bit by bit. I repeated this process several times, stirring, checking, adding until the texture was completely smooth and the consistency was right. My goal was a clear, lump-free liquid that would be good for use, for example, as a coating or protective material. Once thoroughly mixed and the styrofoam is completely dissolved, the result looks great, clear, non-sticky, and has a distinctive shine that's perfect for applying to wood surfaces or other crafts. This is a simple and creative way to turn styrofoam waste into something useful. Okay, next, this is where the most exciting part of our experiment today begins. This time, we're going to try something truly unique and something not many people have tried. We're going to mix two different materials that we prepared earlier. The first is a mixture of coffee grounds and thinner, and the second is a solution of used styrofoam that we've dissolved in thinner until it becomes a clear, varnish-like liquid. These two mixtures have different characteristics, and now it's time to combine them in one container. I'll pour them in slowly, then start stirring the two ingredients together. This stirring process is crucial so that all the elements can truly blend together and produce a stable texture and color. We'll see what the final result looks like. Will it still have the same beautiful, futuristic wood color, or will it create a new, more unique effect? This is the part of the experiment that's full of surprises. The color is absolutely stunning, isn't it? And now, we're moving on to the most exciting part of this experiment, applying what we've just created onto a piece of wood. I've already prepared a clean and dry wooden surface, and we're going to coat it entirely using our homemade mixture. This is where we truly test the result, by using it as a wood finish, or in other words, painting the entire surface with our custom blend. I begin applying the mixture slowly and carefully, making sure to coat the wood evenly. The goal is to cover every inch from edge to edge without leaving streaks or buildup. I'm taking my time with this step to ensure a smooth, professional-looking finish. Every brushstroke is deliberate. We want the texture, tone, and coverage to look just right. As I apply the mixture, the effect is instantly visible. The natural warmth of the coffee gives the wood a classic, earthy tone, while the thinner and melted styrofoam add a glossy layer that resembles high-quality varnish. The result, a futuristic yet organic wood finish, something truly unique. Now, we wait for it to dry. Once it's fully cured, we'll take a closer look at the final result. Will this DIY mix really work as an alternative to store-bought varnish using simple household materials? Let's find out together. Look at that. Just take a moment to appreciate the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. A perfect blend of warmth, depth, and smoothness that gives the wood a whole new character. The soft brown tones from the coffee, combined with the glossy finish from the melted styrofoam, create a surface that looks both natural and refined. It almost feels like a high-end wood finish, yet it came from simple, everyday materials. The result? Not just beautiful, but surprisingly professional. A sweet and satisfying payoff for a fun, creative experiment. It almost feels like a high-end wood finish, yet it came from simple, everyday materials. The result? Not just beautiful, but surprisingly professional. A sweet and satisfying payoff for a fun, creative experiment. And that's it for today's experiment. Who would have thought that coffee powder, thinner, and recycled styrofoam could come together to create such a beautiful wood finish? It's always exciting to explore creative ways to reuse everyday materials and turn them into something useful and artistic. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more creative experiments coming soon. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep exploring.